Imagine waking up one day to find your money working for you. A savings account can do just that. It's a simple financial tool that many overlook. But it offers peace of mind and financial growth. Let's dive into what a savings account really is. A savings account is a bank account that earns interest. It allows you to save money securely. Plus, it's easily accessible when you need it. So, how do savings accounts work? You deposit your money into the account. The bank pays you interest on that amount. Interest is the bank's way of rewarding you for using their service. This process grows your money over time. Now, let's break it down into a few simple steps to open your savings account. First, choose a reliable bank or credit union. Look for one with low fees and good interest rates. Second, gather your identification documents. You may need your ID and proof of address. Next, fill out your application. This is usually easy, and can often be done online. Once approved, fund your account with an initial deposit. Finally, you're ready to start saving. You might wonder how savings accounts benefit specific groups like students, women, and immigrants. For students, they teach money management early. They also help save for essentials like tuition. Women often use them to create financial independence and security. For immigrants, savings accounts can help establish credit and create a stable future. Let's put this into perspective. Think of your savings as planting seeds. Each dollar you save is a seed planted in fertile soil. With time and patience, those seeds grow into a lush garden of financial stability and opportunities. In summary, a savings account is more than just a place to park your money. It's a stepping stone towards financial security and independence. It allows your money to grow while keeping it safe. Ready to take the plunge? Open your savings account today and start planting your seeds for tomorrow. Financial freedom is just a step away. Don't wait, act now and watch your savings flourish.